done doing a killer workout at the gym, and now that I'm home, I want to treat myself to something nice and spicy. I'm thinking of making some awesome masala fries. So join me and I'll show you how to make some great and yummy spicy masala fries.
Ready to eat French fries. Oil. Rice flour. Chopped coriander. Lemon juice. Chili flakes.
So after my awesome workout today to stay in shape, of course, I decided that this is the perfect time for a little cheat meal. So I'm going to show you how to make some masala fries. So the first thing I did is turn on my oil over here, and it's going to heat while I prepare my marination. So first you're going to take your rice flour and let's add it into the bowl. And then we have our lemon juice that we're going to add into that. And you can just go ahead and mix it all around to try to get the marination nice and ready. So there's quite a lot of flour in here, but we're going to need that for the fries. And then the next thing we're going to do is add some chili flakes. And you can add a lot if you want really spicy or just a little bit, but I did a good workout today, so I'm going to add a little extra. And then we're going to add some crushed pepper to add to the taste, and a little bit of salt and some coriander. So now mix it all together. This is a workout in itself. Get it mixed, nice and mixed. And then add the French fries, of course, because we want to get the French fries soaked up in our marination. So you can use a spoon to mix it all in, or if you feel like getting really dirty, stick your hands in and get it in. But as long as you get the marination all over the fries, like so. So just maybe do this for a minute or two. And now I'm going to take the fries and put it on this plate so it's easier to fry them. And try not to get too much of the marinade, like just the individual fries, because we don't want that messing it up when we fry it. And now I've picked out most of them, so I'm going to go ahead and carefully add it into my oil. So my oil should be nice and warm. So there we go. It's nice and hot. You can see it start to boil. So we're going to go ahead and let that cook for a few minutes. So now you can see that my fries are coming to that nice golden brown color that we need. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the flame off, not to burn myself. And then I'm going to go ahead and get them out, just straining as much of the oil. We don't want to, negate the entire workout that we did today. So we're going to try to get as much of the oil off of the fries. And let's see, like so, just strain a bit of them. I have just prepared myself my masala fries. For more interesting recipes at the Bachelor's Kitchen, subscribe to my channel.